Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today I'll be replacing the belt on my Toyota Yaris, specifically 2008. And whenever you guys need to replace the belt, it's usually when your belt looks old or has a crack on it. I wouldn't wait before it snaps because your car would be stranded in the middle of nowhere. So I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. So as you can see, like usually when you have an AC, it's gonna be a bit different than mine. But since my car doesn't have an AC, my belt's gonna be a lot shorter than yours. But yeah, it should be an easy fix. All you need is obviously the new belt. I got that. You're gonna need like you're not even gonna need a 14mm, honestly. You just need to like loosen this bolt, and you'll be able to remove the belt, your old belt. And you're gonna need something like long to leverage the alternator, so you can kind of like put the right amount of tension on the belt. So it's a very simple fix, and I'll show you guys around. So me and you, it's gonna be a bit different. We're gonna remove the bolt, and we're gonna see how bad it is. I haven't removed this bolt because I was always scared. See, like already. So the best thing to do is to make sure you remember exactly how the belt goes on there, because if you forget and you put it wrong or you don't remember how, then you basically just remove the belt and not. Worst case, you just go on Google and find the proper way to put it, but in this case I'll be showing you how to properly do it. So as you can see here, I'm taking the old belt from here, and I'm watching like the proper way to like put it back, so like I don't confuse myself when I'm putting the new belt back. Honestly, my old belt doesn't look as bad compared to yours, probably, but I just like doing prevention work just so I don't get stranded in the middle of nowhere. Especially not knowing when this was replaced. Once you're able to mount this properly, get something like a breaker bar to leverage the alternator to put enough pressure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a simple fix, and you shouldn't really have any hard time doing it, other than like knowing how to position the belt properly. But you can use Google for that, or I mean, before replacing the belt, you can look at it and see how it's supposed to be placed. Then that's when you either take a picture, draw it, do whatever you want to memorize it, and that's pretty much it.